Welcome to 142 Bonhill Drive here in Cayce, South Carolina. My name is Janet Loper here with Landon Loper, and we are Next Gen Real Estate. Today we have this beautiful home located here in Cayce, centralized between Interstate I-77 and I-26.
But one of the coolest things about it as well is no matter where you've got to go or where you might work, we got quick access to downtown Columbia as well. And then when it's playtime, you got the Congaree River, which is really right over here. Also access to the Riverwalk. But this home here, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. Love the way the color is here with the brick accents and the stone. It just looks really great here on this home. But go ahead, follow us on the inside and we'll talk a little bit more about it in there.
Well, the first thing that I love about this house when you come in are the beautiful engineered hardwood flooring, but check out the amazing cathedral ceilings. You do have the gas fireplace, but this is a huge great room. It is also set up and designed for your breakfast dining room area, or you could just make it a huge great room space.
That's right. I love the fact that when you walk in the front door of this house, is just one massive open room. It makes the house feel so much bigger. But on top of that, they just installed a brand new fresh carpet throughout the home. The kitchen, we've got granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space. And then one thing you're going to love out back is it's got a screened-in porch with its own privacy blinds and a plenty big enough backyard. So now is the time for you to walk through this home just like you were here.
Well, we know you're gonna love this 1-story floor plan, which is very hard to find, but boy, I love that 2-car garage, which is a big plus.
That's right. Everything this home has, this neighborhood has, being so close to 77, 26, downtown Columbia, Riverwalks, the Congaree River is right here. It's got everything you would want with this home. So give us a call today before it's gone. We'd love to talk to you soon about it. Thank you.
Thank you.